Hello everyone, welcome to a presentation on combustion. What is combustion? Well, combustion is the process by which a substance burns. A substance, in this case most commonly a hydrocarbon, as the fuel, which is what you need to start the reaction, which is one of the main components of it. You also need an oxidizer, which is typically oxygen gas. And then also you need a source, like a source of heat to start your reaction, typically a spark or a match or some sort of open flame. And so moving on to how combustion works. Combustion happens when the fuel mixes with the oxidizer in a enclosed area, and then a source of energy is introduced to the system, and it typically either results in a fire or a violent explosion. And the products are commonly water, heat and light, and carbon dioxide. So over here we have the very typical combustion reaction commonly found in like lots of gas-powered grills or oven systems. You have propane, which is C3H8, mixing with oxygen gas, which is O2, and the reaction yields carbon dioxide, water, and heat plus light. And so the propane gas mixes with the oxygen in an enclosed environment, a form of like very brief like heat or energy is introduced like a spark, and typically in a grill you have a sparker, and that will cause the fire to come out of the system because it'll catch fire, it'll start burning. The gas will, and then it'll keep producing that carbon dioxide, water, and heat and light until either the fuel runs out or the oxidizer runs out. So over here we have the fire triangle, which is used commonly in teaching wilderness survival or like outdoor classes, and what you need to start a fire outdoors, or in any case, any fire, you need a fuel, you need oxygen, you need heat. If fire doesn't have those, you get no fire. So down here at the bottom we have how, just a very good visual guide on how combustion happens. You need fuel, oxygen, and heat into the system. You'll get your exhaust, you'll get heat back, which will go back into the system. So up here you have the process of how a substance decomposes. While it burns up in this corner over here, you have in this case it's about biofuel, you have a solid biofuel which dries out, and then you can ignite it, it'll burn, and then it will start to slowly die out, and it'll turn into ash. And then down here, this is another reaction between methane, oxygen gas, and it'll produce carbon dioxide and water. Thank you everyone for watching.